Okay, guys, in today's video, we will be checking out how we can use market structure and trend trading strategies together. Okay, so this will help you to have more assurance within the market and also help you to milk the market successfully. And we will be doing that on real charts, I mean live charts. So this can also be a way of knowing what the market is. I mean, pushing to us today so that you can have a better trading opportunity right from there. So, guys, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. Before I go fully into it, in case you're not in the Telegram channel, you are also missing a lot because I usually drop free signals within the Telegram channel. So you can check the link in the description box or the comment section and join the Telegram channel right from there. Okay. So all my charts will be on 15-minute time frame. Okay, in case you are wondering the exact time frame I am using. If I'm going to change any one of them, I'm going to tell you the time frame I'm changing to. Okay, so this is very, very important. And I'm using a custom made indicator, which is called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. I am using this because it helps me to see clearer what the market is bringing up. Okay, if it is on uptrend, I get to see this yellow line, I mean yellow colors, and if it is on downtrend, I get to see these red colors. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so now let's see what is happening within this market. This is Ganex 1200, okay, and of course 15 minutes time frame. So these actually are the movements from here to this region. Remember, it's got to this resistance zone, and this zone which we are right now, okay, is the point of interest zone. Okay, the reason is the markets will play around there for a while. If it breaks out from any of these region, definitely we get to see more reaction within the market towards that direction. Okay, so probably in another video, I'm going to show you how to highlight this your point of interest so that you too can also do that from your end. Okay, so immediately it got to this region. Okay, I realized that it has gotten to the upper part of it, so it started a downtrend right from there. So it gave us a change in character at this point. Okay, so which gave us more selling opportunity. Okay, and of course, because of the change in character that it gave to us. Okay, all you just need to do is just to look at the origin that led to the change of character. Okay, and the origin should be from somewhere here. Okay, I'm going to pick this as the origin. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to allow the market to tap into it. Okay, this is just a way to let you know that the trading tool that I am using also works along the side with the market structure. Okay, so you can see you just allow it to tapped into it, and of course you can place your sell order at that point and target this region as your TP. Okay, and you can see it achieved it successfully. Okay, and even gave us another break of structure at this point to get to this region. Okay, because of the break of structure, okay, we look at the origin that led to the break of structure, and this origin should be somewhere here. Okay, so you wait for it to be activated. Once it is activated, then we expect more selling opportunity, and it should be above this. Okay, so let's wait for that to see what will happen. Okay, so we are still expecting more selling opportunity on this. Okay, now let's check out Ganex 1000. I mean Ganex 999. Okay, the last one we checked was actually Ganex 1200. This is Ganex 999, and this had been on downtrend for a while, but after getting to this support region within the point of interest. Okay, so it was unable to go below that, so it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so now let's see what actually happened here. Okay, so these actually got to this higher high, then came back to higher low, and of course created another higher high again, and of course it has come back to another higher low. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so I'll broke out from this change of character and led to this particular origin, which led to the break of character, I mean break of structure at that point. Okay, so and of course it was activated, and of course I expect it to buy till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, and of course once it breaks out from there, okay, so we will be having another break of structure at that point. Okay, so um once we get a break of structure, then we can now get locate the origin that led to the break of structure, and right from there it will help us to know where we should be looking out for before we can jump into the trade to buy more. However, this particular trade is going to be giving us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now that was GainX 999. Okay, now let's check out PayNex 1200. PayNex 1200 had been on downtrend. Okay, so it had been on downtrend after having a change of character somewhere here. Okay, so led to this region. Okay, and of course it came back up at the pullback, and of course right here is another break of structure. Okay, just the way we are saying this, we've gotten another break of structure. So let's check out the origin that led to this break of structure. Okay, so the origin that led to this break of structure is actually this particular one. So I'm just going to pick this one. Okay, so I expect the markets to have a pullback to this region, and of course give us more selling opportunity. Okay, so we're still going to have more selling opportunity at this point, but we might have a pullback to somewhere here. Okay, before we have a major selling opportunity right from there. So you can wait for it, just like I always tell you, most of the time the forex market, okay, is about 80% waiting and 20% of action taking. Okay, so if you are not ready to wait, then you might be gambling around the market and losing some of your money. This already shows a downtrend movement already, and that is where we are heading to already. Okay, so you can see we are still within the point of interest, so this is still going to sell more. We just need it to get to this, which is our point, I mean our origin for this break of structure. And of course once it tap into it, then definitely we have more opportunity to sell more, and you can target the next lower low. Okay, so as your next TP. Okay, and of course your stop loss should be somewhere here. Okay, your stop loss should be somewhere here, just at the top of this. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so you can take advantage of the market right from there. So this is where the market is still trying to target. This region is where the market is trying to target. So you should watch out for that. Okay, now let's go back to, let's go over to PayNext 999. All these are analysis on 15-minute time frame. This is also our point of interest on PayNext 999. Okay, so this actually got to the resistance zone at this point and was unable to break out above it. So it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend after changing the character right from there. You can see it's changed the character, and also my indicator also switched from uptrend to downtrend. That is how amazing it is. Okay, so till it got to this region, had a pullback. Okay, came back down again, and of course right from here we had break of structure somewhere here. we had break of structure somewhere here. And if you are to consider the origin that led to the break of structure, it's going to be this. So I'm just going to pick it from here. This is the origin that led to the break of structure. Okay. So we might have a pullback. You can see it is already ranging around there. So we might have a pullback to this region. And of course, it will give us more selling opportunity. And you choose the next lower low as your TP at that particular point. Okay. So this is very, very important. You can see that everything works in line with the custom made indicator on the chart. Okay, it is already on downtrend, and of course definitely we will be having a pullback any moment, and of course have more selling opportunity right from there. So that is how beautiful it is, guys. Okay, guys, I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. Okay, I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, you can also drop your question for me on WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.